Learn Malay future tense. I will do equals.
Saya akan buat.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, good to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail the Malay future tense for do, make.
Saya akan buat. Kamu akan buat. Dia akan buat. Kita akan buat.
Plus.
Ia akan membuat.
And the root verb.
Buat.
Let's make it fun, and yes, you will do it. Your goal today. You'll speak the future like a pro, short, clear, and confident. I will do.
Saya akan buat.
You will do.
Kamu akan buat.
He will do.
Dia akan buat.
We will do.
Kita akan buat.
It will make.
Ia akan membuat.
Base verb.
Buat.
Fast forms, fast wins. Repeat after me and keep it punchy. Say, I will do.
Saya akan buat.
Say, you will do.
Kamu akan buat.
Say, he will do.
Dia akan buat.
Say, we will do.
Kita akan buat.
Say, it will make.
Ia akan membuat.
Core verb.
Buat.
Mini dialogue, office heroes. Listen in and echo the Malay lines out loud. A. We need a volunteer for the report. B. No worries, I will do it.
Saya akan buat.
A. Great, and the charts? B. He says he will do them.
Dia akan buat.
A. Perfect. As a team, we will do the rest.
Kita akan buat.
B. This new template, it will make things easier.
Ia akan membuat.
Kerja lebih mudah. A. Love it. Now let's just do it.
Buat.
Beat and repeat. Clap a steady 4 beat and chant with me. Beat 1.
Buat.
Beat 2.
Saya akan buat.
Beat 3.
Kamu akan buat.
Beat 4.
Dia akan buat.
Next round. Beat 1.
Kita akan buat.
Beat 2.
Ia akan membuat.
Beat 3.
Buat.
Beat 4. Victory sip of tea. Quick drills. Your turn. Say the Malay out loud. I'll give you a beat to answer. Translate. I will do it tomorrow. Answer.
Saya akan buat.
Isak. Translate. You will do the setup. Answer.
Kamu akan buat.
Persiapan. Translate. He will do the homework. Answer.
Dia akan buat.
Kerja rumah. Translate. We will do our best. Answer.
Kita akan buat.
Yang terbaik. Translate. It will make a difference. Answer.
Ia akan membuat.
Perbezaan. Translate. Just do it now. Answer.
Buat.
Sekarang. Culture tip. A quick cultural nugget to anchor the phrase. In Malaysian community cleanups called gotong royong, you'll hear team vibes like, we will do this together.
Kita akan buat.
Bersama-sama. It's collective action with smiles, snacks, and real results. Speed quiz. Lightning round. Answer fast. English to Malay. You will do.
Kamu akan buat.
English to Malay. He will do.
Dia akan buat.
English to Malay. It will make.
Ia akan membuat.
What's the base verb for do, make?
Buat.
English to Malay. I will do.
Saya akan buat.
English to Malay. We will do.
Kita akan buat.
Fun challenge. Ready for a tiny mission? Write 3 promises for tomorrow starting with.
Saya akan buat.
Then assign one to a friend with.
Kamu akan buat.
And end with a team line using.
Kita akan buat.
Stick it on your desk. Outro. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Saya akan buat. Kamu akan buat. Dia akan buat. Kita akan buat. Ia akan membuat.
And.
Buat.
In your daily tasks. Come back soon and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Malay lessons, drills, and downloads. See you next time.